Ready for some travel? I'm not sure about you, but after more than 2 years of being under siege with mandates, lockdowns, and masks, I'm certainly ready for some freedom going on vacation and relaxation. I can show you how to do the same thing if you like. Watch this little video to the end so you don't miss any of the important information. I'm ready to spend some fun time with my children, their friends, and the parents. Also ready for some holiday recreational away time with my beautiful wife, Saya, at some beautiful all-inclusive resorts, and on Alaskan and other international cruises. And you want to know what makes it even better? I'll get paid to do it. That's right, folks, I get paid to go on vacation. We can show you how to do exactly the same thing. It's all brought about because of multiple streams of passive online business income coming into us steadily while we vacation, travel, or do anything else we like. Use the button or the link provided if you want to find out more. When you do, just register for the short complimentary workshop that we've put together for you. As a bonus, I'm going to send you a short 20-minute video that lays out all the details for our newest passive income stream, travel and vacation. Then all you'll need to do is opt in, pay the small lifetime membership fee, and you are good to go. Then you'll have your own online business to earn passive supplementary income and vacation whenever you like. No experience is necessary, you don't have to be tech savvy, and there's no direct selling involved, so you don't need to be a salesperson either. Easy to follow module type video training, all of the systems, high commission products, one-on-one mentorship, coaching, and global support all come with this outstanding home-based business. People from every generation and all walks of life are picking up on it willingly. Use the button or the link right now to get all the details for free. I'm Bamshad Akbari from Los Angeles, California, USA. Myself and my wife, together with our very closest inner circle of business partners, are all here to help you get a branch of this online business and travel excursion up and running. Look, folks, we're doing it and it's working great. So I'm paying my good fortunes forward and inviting you to join the success story. Even if you don't have an interest in running your own online business, you can still benefit greatly from our Travel Club membership. Enjoy the 2-for-1 travel points offer. Simply join our invitational travel club and become our holiday customer if nothing else. It's all explained in the short info video that I promised to send you. Take action now and see the world for a fraction of the cost. A few years back, my wife and I were nervous, skeptical, and scared too. But we quickly and confidently replaced our fears with faith and have never looked back since. You can do the same thing. If you think that the cost for winning is too steep, just wait until you get the bill for regret. Get your passport ready, use the link or the button to enroll, and let's go!